These styles are going to explode on Etsy in 2026. And while everyone is searching bestsellers, most people are missing out on the power of identifying trending styles. So you can see some easy similarities between this product and several of these products that are exploding in sales. And here's the crazy part: this is not only foreseeable, but it's also repeatable. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you these 5 top trending styles you need to start implementing in your shop today. I want to share this all with you coming up next. Now, before we design anything, we definitely have to make sure we do product research. And one of the major things that's going to help us identify what products to target are these little numbers at the bottom, which give us all these indicators to let us know how well these products have done. And this has changed the game for me in regards to my product research. And this comes from the EverBee tool. EverBee is a great research tool for you to get all of this inside data so that you know exactly what product to target, how well these products have been selling on Etsy, what is their trend and growth rate, and how well these products can sell for you if implemented correctly. And if you're doing product research without having this data to help you drive your designs, you are missing out on so many opportunities to make sales. So if you do want to check out all of these numbers at the bottom of your listings to help you identify which product to target, make sure you check out my link down below. It's going to send you over to EverBee so you can sign up for free and start utilizing the same tools I'm talking about in today's video. All right, so when we jump on Etsy, we can see that most of these styles are being represented by major seasons that just passed, like Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. And we can see the same type of designs and trends that's being represented for Easter. And there's several different type of products and design styles that are changing the game and is being represented for brand new products. And if strategically placed in a micro niche, like this example here, the mama hunting niche, you can make multiple sales with this strategy. So let me share with you a design style that is currently trending that can be applied into these micro niches. Here's this 3-layer design that I have seen to work all over Etsy for Christmas, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Easter. And this is definitely a style I think you should focus on. This is a style that can be implemented for basketball or for soccer or for the hunting niche or for the graduation niche. The data proves well here with EverBee. This has only been around for 2 months, but already made well over 87 sales in the last 30 days. And here's a great example of this being implemented more so for a micro niche. This is the Mama Christian hunting niche here, and we can see the same type of structure is being laid out here. Again, we can see this product has only been released in probably a few short weeks, and when we see the data on EverBee, again doesn't even have the bestsellers badge right now. And this is actually a good thing. That means this product is so new on Etsy, it is already getting seen in search, it's already getting purchased, tons of favorites. And look at what we see on Etsy side. Even though we don't have a bestsellers badge or popular now, we do have this red in demand signal, which is exactly what you want to see. 2 people bought this in the last 24 hours. So again, what style do you think you need to incorporate? 3-layer type of bow style that has the text at the bottom, and definitely bringing in some unique elements in here is going to change the game for you. Again, we're not chasing bestsellers. We are identifying styles that can be implemented in micro niches. And if this person could do this in a brand new product that has probably only been around for a week or so, already made 2 sales, there's multiple micro niche opportunities for you to do the same thing. Here is another top trend that I have seen to do extremely well in other seasons. This is definitely bringing in the same type of style that has worked in the past. Here is a great example of this, where this shirt says, "My class is full of sweethearts." Look at the trend, look at the style. Again, just not following bestsellers, but look at what people enjoy. This text on the bottom, text at the top, and this 3-layer in the middle, focusing on the specific elements and colors of that specific niche. The thing here that this can be applied into other micro niches and sell just as well. From EverBee side, we can see that this is blowing up with sales. Been around for 3 months, have over 7,000 views, and probably making a whole lot more than 68 sales in the last 30 days. But here's a unique take on this, is that this person was able to do this following this 3-layer trend. And what I found to be an up and coming trend that is going to do extremely well is this type of oil painting on the shirt. Again, we can see this person implemented 2 styles here, the 3-layer layout in the bottom portion where it says hunting season. And to be quite honest, this was even visible during Christmas, but this person implemented this over into the hunting niche with this new oil painting type of style. And this is clearly doing well, because when I look at a product like this that has only been around for a few short weeks, again, don't let this data fool you from Etsy where it says 20 plus people have it in the cart, because EverBee is giving us this data that this has increased wildly in regards to views. It does have a bestsellers badge. And when we add this product to the cart, we can see that in-demand signal that we definitely want to follow on Etsy. And it says 6 people bought this in the last 24 hours. This is what I mean by identifying these styles that can be implemented into new areas. And when you combine 2 things together, this can definitely be a game changer for your shop. So I would definitely encourage you to follow this design trend. This is definitely selling well here, and find new ways to implement this oil type of painting style on your designs, because this is clearly going to be a top trending style in 2026. Now, here is another example of a particular artwork. I know we have seen a ton of patchwork designs, and more so we have seen them for things like Easter, like this example here of this bunny rabbit has a popular now badge on it. And even though EverBee doesn't show us the sales in the last 30 days, because it's probably only been around for a week or two, we are seeing this data that it has over 2,000 views in a short amount of time. And here's proof in regards to how demanding this product is that 16 people bought this product in the last 24 hours. If you are not incorporating this type of patchwork in your design, I think you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Again, this has only been around for a short amount of time, but have definitely sold well. Now, here's the thing. If this style has done well during a season, how well can this style do for evergreen niches? And we don't have to guess at that, right? Most of what we see can be repeatable in other areas. And here's a great example of that here. Again, following this product, this has nothing to do with Easter or Valentine's Day or St. Patrick's Day. Simply a nice spring design that's received over 1,800 views in the last really a couple of weeks, not even a month. Already gained the bestsellers badge. And if you look at how many people have it in the cart in this hot red demand signal, 3 people bought this in the last 24 hours. This is the type of styles you should start incorporating into your product. Here's another example of this type of style. This is incorporating that patchwork style that we have seen to do extremely well. This is incorporating one of those styles that we have seen to work in the past, to have the text layering the overall element, and we can incorporate 2 design trends here. Obviously, the patchwork has done well. Again, this is clearly an evergreen product here, not focusing on a specific season, but if we can see, it's definitely putting in the text around the product. And even though we may not see total sales and monthly sales because this product is so early, the views are high, the listing age is low. We see that bestsellers badge, and we can even see that this is beginning to grow in sales with 1 person purchasing this in the last 24 hours. Now, this is huge because with the bestsellers badge already on this in a low view count on an early product, this has probably only been around for a couple days, to be quite honest. And this has already done extremely well, and it will blow up with sales. Same thing like this product here right below it. We can see it's definitely following that same type of trend with that patchwork design. And this has sold 9 in the last 24 hours. And again, even though we're talking about PNG products, usually what I found is that whatever works in the PNG space is probably going to blow up exponentially in the print on demand space. But you can get a head start in understanding these type of trends. And if you are selling PNG products, can I just give you a little bit of encouragement here? You don't have to sell it for $1.87 or 81 cents. You can see this person clearly selling this for $4.85 and definitely getting huge amounts of sales all of the time. It's all about adding specific type of value with these styles I'm talking about in today's video that can help you explode your sales. Now, when we talk about the patchwork design, what I have seen to be an up and coming trend is incorporating patchwork styles with letters. This can really go into any micro niche here in regards to this product. And we can see the data on this from EverBee. This product has been around just for a month. Again, already gained almost 1,000 views and definitely gaining favorites here. We can see some data on this because this is definitely bringing in a ton of sales. The bestsellers badge is on this. This is definitely one I would encourage you to start incorporating. Text as a patchwork design in regards to this product, and this can be applied to many different areas. Definitely following these type of sport niches can be an easy way to implement these styles into the sports theme. So the same thing here, the patchwork style is incorporated with this type of design theme here, but of course it's geared towards the actual season of the actual sport. And this again can be done for soccer, football, basketball, for a cheer mom, for a running club. It can be done for a cat mom. This is very easy to implement into other niches once you're able to identify the style that has done well. This is just dropped, just released, probably in the last few days. This is clearly just released in a very short time, but has already received 2 sales in the last 24 hours. So when you look at these type of design styles on Etsy, go back into these seasonal products, see what has worked in the past, and find new and creative ways to incorporate this into an evergreen niche. Now, if you think this was helpful, check out this next video here, because YouTube thinks this video is going to change the game for your Etsy business. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I'll see you in the next video.